Hello everyone, my name is Bakari Shavanu, staff writer for MakeUseOf.com. In this video, I cover 4 different text editor applications that make for productive writing in a full-screen, distraction-free typing environment. One of the applications I use most for long-range projects is Scrivener, which I have written about for Make Use Of a couple of times. And to get into composition mode in Scrivener, you can either do it from the toolbar or the menu bar. So you click on here and it enters you into the composition mode. And you can see you can have a different background for composition mode, which you can set up in the preferences. And at the bottom of the screen, you can pull up a toolbar here and you can adjust the paper width of the document. And you can also park it to the right, center, or left of the screen. And you have a scale adjustment here that is useful so that you don't have to change the font size in order to make the text bigger or smaller. On the other side here, you can also do a paper fade of the document, as well as use this button here to leave out of composition mode, or you can use the escape key. One other feature that's really great about Scrivener is just the typewriter mode, which what that does is that as you type, it can keep your cursor in the middle of the document, so it makes it easier for you to type. You don't have to look at the bottom of the screen in order to see the text. Apple's iWorks Pages program also has a full screen mode, which you can access from the menu bar, or you can click on the full screen icon here in the toolbar, like you do in most applications for Apple. And it has, the only couple of features it has is a zoom feature, for you can zoom in and out of the document here and make it larger. You can also have the fit the width or fit the page option as well. And you can also have available on the side here your other pages in the document, as well as the document tools and section tools for your file. So this is pretty much all that Pages has. It does not have a typewriter mode like Scrivener does, so you have to scroll up and down in order to keep the cursor in the middle as you type. Another text editor program we have reviewed for MakeUseOf.com is one called Ulysses. To enter full screen mode, you can either do it from the menu bar or hit the full screen icon here in the corner of the application, just like you do in Pages. It opens up and takes over your entire screen. It only has a few features that are found in the menu bar under View, and it includes the typewriter scrolling, which puts the focus of the document at the top, center, or bottom of the screen. And then it also has a highlight current line, which is great. And then you can also change the theme of the full screen mode from dark to light. The last application for review is one called Byword, which we also covered in MakeUseOf.com. When you enter the full screen mode here, you can access the features for full screen mode under the View menu item, and it includes the typewriter mode here, and it also includes a focus and line focus feature while you type. There's also the ability to change the theme of the full screen mode from dark to light here as well, but the text zoom is only limited to 100, 150, and 200%, and you cannot change the width or the document like you can do in Scrivener. One last important feature to point out about these text editors is that Scrivener and Byword allow users to open and view other applications while in full screen mode. Ulysses and Pages, on the other hand, open full screen mode in another Spaces desktop and don't allow for viewing other applications in that same full screen space. So that's it for this video review. Thank you for watching.